Hey, y'all are cool. We like y'all. We like y'all. Let's go. They cool. Y'all cool. Yo guys, what is up? It's your boy Laz, aka MotoBroo. We're doing a little pedal bike ride out of New York. As you can see, we just started. It's about to be crazy, so let's get into it. Oh boy, what the hell? I don't even know what the hell that was. Gee, let's get it. Yeah, pull it up, let's see what works. Let's see it, let's go. My boy working. Oh, we almost ate shit. Boy's still out here though. Okay, yes sir. Wagon. Wow, they're all doing the crisscross shit. That's insane. Woo! Yes sir. Yo, why PD following us? Why y'all following us? Why y'all following us? Alright, bet. Oh, we got NYPD on their scooters following us. I mean, I don't understand why, but I guess we are sort of going a little crazy in traffic. Yo, is that normal for NYPD just to follow y'all?
Yeah, they always follow us, but they don't do shit, they just be bored. So.
Just follow, but like...
Let me just, you know, there's people robbing and shit, killing, but you know, we're gonna go follow the bike pack.
Really, bro? Literally, like, someone got stabbed in the subway yesterday or some shit. Yeah, and, bro, there's always crazy shit happening out here, and they're worried about pedal bikes. It's so Hey, you ain't worried about the NYPD scooters? They're gonna grab you, bro. I catch a video with them right now. I got a fire. Oh, we just... Hey, y'all are cool. We like y'all. We like y'all. Let's go. They cool. Y'all cool. Nah.
It's not gonna happen.
Shit.
These shit cannot throw up.
We still got NYPD behind. Nah, hey, he couldn't throw that up. No way. Bro, we just have NYPD behind. Like, New York is so chill with the cops. Oh, alright, let me try to get some work going.
In the pump? Crazy.
The only thing is, I don't got a second gear. You feel it.
Only first?
No, first and third and fourth. That's it.
Alright, just for a second, I'll come back to you.
Yes, sir.
Let's go, we're on the dirt bike. Yo, gang, we're out here on a freaking dirt bike real quick. This is crazy. I don't got a pedal no more. This is great. Oh, there's homie. I appreciate you letting me fucking. Ooh, that got my adrenaline going. Let's go.
That's the first time dirt bike in New York?
Nah, I got my bike, but I just brought the pedal bike out today. I would have brought my little bike if I knew you were coming.
Yo, word. You got that here too?
Yeah, my little 50.
Oh shit, that's bad.
Oh shit, let's go. That was a vibe hopping on the dirt bike, bro. As you guys know, I love me and my dirt bikes. Way comfortable on a dirt bike compared to this pedal bike. And someone just ate. Oh, he looped it. He looped it! Oh, homie looped it, or ran into someone.
that's what I do. My ass, yo. That's crazy. My ass. Yo, you didn't get that shit?
I was way behind. I like got like.
I busted my fuck. Yo, I was like 1 o'clock. I held it for like 3 seconds, and these bum ass jump brakes.
Yeah. The jump brakes are sketchy.
Yo, my ass. Yo, I don't even want to talk about it.
Oh boy. Okay, way too sketchy.
On your right, on your right.
We out here, bro. Good old beautiful New York City vibes. You gotta love it, bro. Let's go. Woo! We dodged that old lady right there. Let's go. Ah, not another car. Let's go, that was sick. Let's go, lottie-dottie out here, boy. I don't know where you're going. Ah! You already know, lottie-dottie from them Brooklyn videos. He don't put it down. Are you kidding me, dude? We're still going. Oh boy, are you kidding me? Oh my God. Lottie, you're going too crazy. You're going too crazy, bro. Oh shit. Oh boy. Stop it. So that's Lottie Dottie if you don't know. He kills it. As you just see, like, traffic work for days. Sorry about that. Lottie just swerved them and they freaked out. Okay. Dolphin colors coming in. I like it. Woo! Woo! That was a rough swerve right there.
Hey, wait.
God damn. Swerve it. Oh! God damn. My bad. Crazy with the swerves. Yes, sir. Oh, he still got it up. Let's go.
What the fuck was that? This way you turn up.
Oh yeah. Lottie-dottie, too smooth with it. My boy going fast. God damn, I can't even keep up. Bro, you got turbo on your bike. Them turbo wheelies. Oh boy. Let's fucking go, dude. He's so comfy on it. Let's go. That's Lottie Dottie for you. We're at Washington Square now.
It's my birthday!
Happy birthday. Let's go. Can't keep that shit up. Alrighty gang, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Shredding around with the New York pedal bike riders. Stay motivated with merch in the description down below. I love you, till next time. Peace.